Hello everyone, I'm Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology. Today we are discuss about in types of functional dependency. The first of all, the functional dependency is called as the when one attribute is uniquely determined and another attribute within a relation. Then there are following the several type of functional dependencies. The first one is an full functional dependency. Second one is in a partial dependency. Third one is in transitive dependency, and fourth one is in trivial functional dependency, and fifth one is in non-trivial functional dependency, and sixth one is a semi non-trivial functional dependency, and sixth one is seventh one is in a multi-valued functional dependency, and joint dependencies. The first of all, the fully functional dependency is called as the an attribute or a set of attribute is uniquely determines the another attribute or set of attribute if the relation R has a x, y, z with the dependencies of x tends to y and x tends to z, which states that those dependencies are fully functional. And then second one is a partial functional dependency. The partial functional dependency is called as the a non-key attributes depends on a part of the composite key and rather than the whole key. If a relation R has attribute of x, y, z, where x and y are the composite key and z is a non-key attribute, and then the x tends to z is a partial functional dependency in the relational database management systems. And then the a transitive functional dependency is called as a indirectly depends on the determinant. For the examples of A tends to B and B tends to C, then according the axioms of the transitivity of A tends to C, this is a transitive functional dependencies. And the next thing is an multi-valued functional dependency. A multi-value functional dependency of dependency is the entity of the dependent set or a not dependent on each other. For the examples of A tends to B, C, and there the exist of the non-functional dependency, it's between the B and C, and then it is called a multi-valued functional dependency. Here that the examples of the bike for the bike model or color and accessories. If the X is the bike model and Y is a color and Z is an accessory. If for the bike method is the model of the bike is a group of color and the group of accessories, and the color is don't depend on the they don't depend on the colors, and so depend on the yes if the color is do not depend on the accessories and the accessories do not depend on the colors, they are independent of the each others. The sets of the color is accessories are liked only a bike model, and that the in case of the next thing is an Trivial functional dependency. The trivial functional dependency is called as the a dependent is always a subset of the determinant. If x tends to y and y is the subset of x, and then it is called as the trivial functional dependency. For the symbol of the a tends to b is the trivial functional dependency. The b is the subset of a, and the following dependencies are also a tends to a and b tends to b. And a non-trivial functional dependency is that depend on the strictly not a subset of the determinant. If x tends to y and y is a subset of x, and then it is called the non-trivial functional dependency. And semi non-trivial functional dependency uh, is occur the part of the determinant attribute and is the included in the determinant, but not all of it. This is the middle ground between the trivial and non-trivial functional dependency, and extends to y is called as a semi non trivial. When x is intersect y is this not null. And then thank you.